Okay, so now after we apply material, we peel the material, background material for the outer and inner here. So now we will change the parameter to fit this for the plug house. Okay. So I activate the galaxy here. You can see I have a galaxy here, right? So now we will change the parameter for the plug house here, right? So I go to the material, I go to the plug house, right? You see I had the out plug house here. So you can see I had a control writer and control the cursor here, right? So we just control the exponent here to make it the font of, right? So now I will set things control writer for exponent because I don't want it so much right in here. You can see in the center here, you can see I had the very light, the right color here and the dark color here. So I just increase for a little bit for two. RAM I have changed a little bit, right? So I go to the fix here. Maybe I will change this 0. Let's see. Okay, it's also resolve. It's 0.5 for example. And show here. Okay. And we control the cursor here. So I will increase the font up to ice. Okay. The RAM here, okay, I have changed this, and the fixed RAM here is very important here. Okay, so now I will change to 1, 0. So I fix the control here 2 and 1. Okay, you can see here. We can change this parameter a little bit for yourself. Okay, with the inner here. You can change parameter right here. I also increase to 20 because it's much more bigger, but because it's called inner, you can see here. Okay, with the inner, maybe I will increase more bigger here because I want the font is more bigger here because you can see I have the corner. I have a corner here, the outer here. So with the font for corner, for example, when we read the font for the outer here. If corner we have to increase much exponent to make it rough, it's more similar to this outside cut here, even though it's outside here, right? Because it's very small, so I had to increase much more, right? So it's a trend. Maybe I will fix it because the RAM had the same, right? The same here. So I don't change the RAM. Just change the fix here. Maybe fix to 0 and 0. Maybe 1 by 50 for example, and 1 here. Okay, with the control level, with the control cut here, I set exponents more bigger than more bigger. Okay, with 25 and fit is okay, maybe 1 or okay for 0.5 and 0. And maybe 10 is more right, so it's right 1. Okay, this is not 1. Okay, the key here. Okay, so now we will go outside here. We give, and now I will go to Galaxy. I have apply material, the scan so apply material, the block call apply material. Okay, so now we will check to the render, right? To the render here, scene view. Okay, I will go out. I just set it so I go to the out much here. I just alright, resolution. I just use species resolution. Maybe a half here, right? 40. And 360. Okay, image here, maybe I will transfer the image to okay, let's see, adjust. Okay, good. Output here, render ray trace. Okay, you can use the ray trace shader because sampling here the volumetricity is much more much more time, so we can reduce volume a little bit here, right? So you can change the parameter for render. I don't care about this much, right? Just change the resolution is for is much faster, right? Okay, go to project and change to the ZBase here, and here we go. We will render again. And here we go. You can see after render here, you can see it's not bad, right? Because it's so the particle is very so small. You can see the resolution is not much big. So you can see is so with noise here around here, and the point bit scale here is so small. But you can see here the blackout in the center here, right? Okay. So now I will go out here, busy. Maybe I will check a little bit for the galaxy here. Okay. Okay, maybe here the P scale here is so much smaller. Okay. Maybe I will wrap a little bit. You can raise a slide here. Maybe. Okay, we'll raise a slide. No, I don't want to use spotlight. Just a spotlight. Okay. You can raise spotlight or something. No, okay, no problem. And come back to the jingle here, the B scale, because the B scale here very small, so I will read a little bit for 20. You can see it bigger, right? Maybe have it render better run. Okay, let's just here. Okay, and render again. We are much brighter here. Okay. Okay, maybe I will raise the camera, right? Here, let's see. And maybe we will change the view a little bit here, right? Here we go, right? Try this. And you can see I have the materials. I have this. Maybe 10 million point, right? So maybe you can increase the trail here to 10 more point here, right? Here we go. You can see here much trails around when it's much the motions and much trail around here, more the particular also, and we also reduce this scale here a little bit. It depends on how much your particle inside here and what's your purpose. Okay. And okay, we will make the render review again here. You can see this is very close. Okay, we will just render again. It look better, right? After it's checking. Okay. And here we go. You can see I have final in my here. You can see I have around of we had a galaxy with the pending line here around here. You can see after render maybe right. So you can see it's show more figures, density, more densities in the center because we had increased the B scale is bigger, and we also increase the scale here to much more the particle. Okay, so it's one is much thicker here, so you can change the B scale a little bit. For example, I will change 45. You can see it's different. Okay, check it. And also we can come to the galaxy texture and the block how we can change the parameter to match the center rather than the outside here. Okay, you can see the density in the outside is much less than inside. In the center, right? You can see after render, you can see it's less than And the B scale decreased. B scale, you can see also the densities were also decreased. Okay. If you want to miss it's much brighter, you can go to here, change the blockhouse. Hit this guy. You can change density a little bit, maybe 0.5. Right, so for the outside, and you can change for the inner here, right? You can see when they increase, it's very brighter inside here, right? Okay, very brighter. Here we go. You can see. Maybe I will decrease this to 0 also, 0.5, and you will see it look very cool. Very brighter here. Okay, you can see the sharp also change, right? So maybe 0.5 also. Keep it again, right? Look cool, right? Okay, you can see another stuff here because we have match the font for two boss guy, the car inside, the car outside. So you see the car here, the car inside, where it fits here, right? Trains. And so this guy, so it's train to 0.5 or so. Oh, that's the and this guy is 0.5, 25 for symbol. And so you can train this for much more. Okay, I think it's look better than look cool, right? And this is control for how the cards. Let me show you how to control the cards here. Maybe I will read the exponent to 0 to 5. You see the difference is bigger, right? You can see the card is bigger. The block hole is bigger because this bonus here is different with this guy. You can see difference. Okay, but the cards is more. When you reduce its bonus, you can see the card is much thicker. Okay, it's very dramatically. Okay, you can see trend up the direction here, very dramatically. Okay, and then how you can see here is moves the right. It depends on you how you can change. Okay, you can change the parameter here. I just change the guy here for show you how the difference. Okay, that's all. Exponent also is run to right, that's done maybe a two. You can see here the difference. Okay, difference is not right, right? Reduce price 20 here. You can see it's more right. Okay, and finally I will check again for my okay. I will change again. This one is very much bigger here, so I will change to. Okay, you can keep this or you can change this depending on your right. So I will change to 10, and this guy change to also 10, 20, 12. Okay, for control the cards here. You know, right? And finally, I will find the galaxy data here, right? Maybe I will increase the noise a little bit. Physical here I will reduce for more writer, for symbol, for the galaxy here. Okay, you can see the image writer here, and maybe I will train for multi-line here. Maybe train. Okay, for outer. You can try this. This is technique to raise this lip, right? Here we go. You can see. If you mat the lip, it will mat here. Lighting painting was spent when it come inside, come to the center, right? That's all. No wrong. Okay, and we just go to come to the red color. That's all. Okay, here we go. You can see I had a black color here. Look very cool. Inner and outside here you can see very cool. So now this is the lesson for the red block hole. With simple technique we just raise use the updating the material storage material. Okay, bye bye.